Linux Simple Screen Recorder comes standard with Linux Mint 21 Cinnamon. It is very easy to use and records in Full HD. Simple Screen Recorder also displays the current mouse pointer position, unlike VLC Media Player. I had to hide the screen icons to clear desktop space for this tutorial. But I needed to create a simple screen recorder icon on the panel. See links in description below. To do this tutorial, I just needed to add the icon to the panel. Press on Continue to go to the next page. When satisfied with your recording selections, press on Continue to move to the next page. Note down the file location and file name, then press on Continue to move to the next page. To begin recording, go up and press on Start Recording. To continue recording and clearing space on the desktop, click on the minus button. I can now proceed to download Pinta, a good Linux paint program. I have speeded this section up to keep the video short. Be careful to add spaces and full stops where required. I have also speeded this section up. And speeded this section up too. I typed exit and pressed enter. Left click on menu, then up in search bar type Pinta. Right click on Pinta green bar, then left click on Add to Panel. Go down to Panel, find Pinta icon and left click to open it. Go up to Open and select a picture to import. Then press on Open. As you can see, Pinta has more options than Microsoft Paint. Press on the green X to close Pinta. Go down to right end of panel and hover mouse over Simple Screen Recorder icon. Right click on the icon. Left click on Save Recording. A folder may appear containing your saved screen recording. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing how great Linux is. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next Linux tutorial.